Me and Mikey are out giving the Fredericks the first run of the season, trying to put some birds to sleep here. See if we can get on them this week. The Wisconsin turkey season opens on Wednesday. We're just trying to figure out our best spots. I think surprisingly not that many birds out tonight. Seen one tom out in the middle of the field. I kind of thought there'd be a lot out right now. Weather's been nice. It's a little windy today. It's nice and warm. I kind of thought they'd be out picking in these fields.
This looks like the spot for the morning. I think Mike and I can set up here and we should be able to get away with it. Hopefully they'll come down right off the roost. I just gotta be able to hit them. Jump on it this morning, about 5:15 maybe, and we're already at the spot. We just gotta sneak in and get in the blind. Hopefully those birds are gonna cooperate and come down right off the roost this morning. It's just starting to get light here. Mike's been hitting Frederick a little bit. We've been hearing quite a few gobs. Fly down and walk straight in here. I can see him. About 40 yards back right. Are you kidding me? I didn't think I was gonna get drawn on him, man. They didn't give me any strutting time to get drawn. There's no time that they weren't looking at me, but dude, awesome, buddy. Couple times up in behind us. Birds flew down and pretty much going off to our left and circled it. Now they're behind us probably 60, 70 yards. There's still 3 or 4 turkeys up in the tree, which I don't understand what they're doing. What? I don't know why. I have to do everything all the time. It'd be nice if you did. Oh, good. They didn't got it. Not a bird within 600 miles right now. Oh my God. They're right up on the hill. You can't hear that hen yelping yet. Oh, the hen. The hen, you say. Rop, 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 rop. Things have definitely quieted up. Had a tom gobbling off to our right, but that might have been that jig. Gobbled a couple times and now nothing. We are not prepared. He's coming, booking in. All of a sudden decides he's got to get cautious. Spinning strut is not doing us any favors today. It's about 10 to 5 opening afternoon here in Wisconsin. I don't think we can work one up here, get a shot at him. But I want to no more than a 20-25 yard shot if possible, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. Definitely took a leg out of him. The good news is it looks like he went right down the power line.
There's the arrow. All 3 blades are intact. Cannot believe it. We've been looking for this bird all morning long. I'm really glad I got this bird. I don't deserve him, but I'm glad I got him. It was an amazing hunt. I guess I learned a valuable lesson with this hunt.
Yeah, that's a good turkey, isn't it, buddy? Should Daddy, hey, you want Daddy to shoot the turkey?
Yes.
Should I shoot the turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta set the camera up, then we'll shoot the turkey, okay, buddy? Good job. Pull up here, grab up here, way up there. Pull, 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 pull. Good job.
Second season here in Wisconsin, and Dad and I came in this morning to one of our trusty spots. Sure enough, the birds are here. They just flew down. We got 3 or 4 different birds gobbling right up here in front of us, and they flew down, and they're still gobbling pretty good. I'm not sure what they're doing, or if they're with the hens or whatnot. So. Here one comes.
Are you kidding me? Praise you, Jesus. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That havoc ate him up. That is a dang nice tom. That is a dang nice tom. Wow, I'm shaking like I shot a 116th whitetail. I've been practicing pretty religious this week, shooting at turkeys, just because they're such a tough animal to pick a spot on. But he came walking up to, I think we picked him up about 50, 60 yards away in the woods down there. But like I said, I couldn't be happier with how this morning went. Way to ruin a good day hunting.
Ain't no turkeys here.